Today we're going to be changing out the liftgate struts on our 2008 Lincoln MKX. What you're going to need, obviously, is to purchase some liftgate struts, and we got ours from Amazon. They were the cheapest on the internet. They matched our vehicle exactly. And a flathead screwdriver. Let's get started. With our flathead screwdriver, we're just going to pry this out. There's a second one over here on the bottom of the trunk. Pop that out. Once you get those out, actually, we're just gonna slide this back in right here. And it slides right in. And then to lift it all the way up. Watch yourself there. And literally pop it back in. And that's how easy it is to change your liftgate struts on your 2008 Lincoln MKX. We're going to do the other side in a minute. It's the same process. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.